All right, we're back. We got a 5-ton air condenser going in, and today we're just gonna show you how the experts do it and burning the pipe in and evacuating the system and all that stuff. All right, so what we're doing is setting up the acetylene torch, and I think we're gonna burn out the elbow so we can install a new one. And yeah, these are professionals, so don't try this at home. Alright, so these are pipe turners, and it helps create a bend in the pipe without kinking the pipe. Alright, so now we're inside the house, and this is the air handler, and Hannah and friends, they've cut the lines, and we're about to remove the air handler unit so we can put a new one in here. Alright, this is what the utility closet looks like after the air handler is removed. So the drain line was blown out with nitrogen to get all that crap out of there. So this is the old air handler, the ream, and this is the new air handler. It's a little bit bigger than the old one, so I have to make some adjustments. Here's a rough-in of the air handler system. It's on an aluminum stand, and now we're working on the drain pipe.
Sí.
Alright, some more for the air handler work. You can see the air handler work is probably 60% of an install job, because it has a lot of I work with electrical things. You gotta play with duct work, and then you have to use mastic to glue it all in. Maybe some glue board, some fiberglass board. Anyway, so yeah, this is not a fun experience, and that's why we pay technicians to do skilled technicians to do this. So we've got a couple of pieces of copper to kind of tie it into the new system, because the holes don't match up. Alright, so what we're doing is we're putting CO2 or nitrogen in lines and blowing it out before we do the burn-in. So what we're doing now is we've charged the system up. Oh. All right. So we charged the system up with nitrogen, and now we found a small leak, and so we're gonna fix the leak before evacuating the system. So yeah, the new joint on the right hand side was burned in today, but you know, the left, I guess it's been so long that the stress of working on it created a leak. So this is why we charge the system up with nitrogen before wasting any Freon. Tiene que ser. El rojo, el otro rojo, ¿sí? ¿Se puede picar el cable? Picar el cable. So the system's been vacuumed out completely. We're a near perfect vacuum, and we're about to check the Freon level and add new Freon if needed. We're gonna find out. Now if you could hear, that is the pre-charge inside the unit going into the system. But we did put in a lot of pipe, so we're going to run it and then measure the pressure and the superheat to see if we need to top it off. So right now well, you can't really tell, the static pressure is 240 and 260. But you can't really tell until you turn it on and it balances itself. Alright, now for the second try, we ran into a bit of an electrical problem. We only had a 30. Alright, it's on. So now we just got to look at the pressure. There's the pressure dropping on the low side and boosting on the high side. We're down to 120.
La alta son 300.
And then
la alta son 110.
320 on the high side.
Bajó bueno, ya subió la baja. Está subiendo.
Oh. The low side is climbing.
La baja está a 150 ahora.
It's stabilizing at 160. And the high side is at 350. So we still gotta wait 5-10 minutes or so because it has to, the internal pressure has to stabilize. So we're checking the delta T for the input temperature and the output temperature, and we gotta go outside and run it through formulas and stuff. So that part we'll just leave for the experts.